Money. Who couldn't use a little bit more of it? Whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a wedding, trying to pay off debt, will those student loans ever go away? Or putting some money aside for a rainy day, a little extra money can go a long way. Your day job might help you pay for the essentials, but a side hustle from home, that's the game changer that'll make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always wanted. So here are the best side hustles that'll help you make more money. I'm going to show you 7 best side hustle ideas to make money online that will pay well. Before the start of the video, make sure you leave a like, and if you want to see more content, subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. 7. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is one of the best side hustle job ideas. It allows you to sell a product directly to the customer without having to buy any inventory. Why is that great? You don't need to have a big startup costs budget, keeping your risk low. The manufacturer not only carries the inventory, but also ships it directly to the customer for you. Your main focus should be marketing and customer service, the lifeline of the business. If you have a strong marketing background and want a side hustle that plays to your strength, this is it. It's one of the rare side jobs that allows you to scratch a true entrepreneurial itch. You get to be the owner of your very own business. With dropshipping, you can start a business within any of your favorite passions. Do you love stocking your kitchen? You can sell kitchen equipment on the internet. Maybe you found this unique solar-powered smartphone cooling accessory. You can start your own one-product store and implement these store ideas. If you love doing your makeup, you can sell beauty products and build an audience who follows along your makeup tutorials. Almost any niche can be pursued with dropshipping. Plus, if you're a creative type, you can run wild with unusual business ideas. After all, as the owner of your own business, you'll always have final say, which makes this a great side hustle to start out. Number 6. Start a wholesale business. If you like the idea of running an online business but would prefer to be a little more hands-on, starting an online store using wholesale could be perfect for you. This business model means you buy products in bulk at a lower price and then sell at a higher retail price to your customers. Because you're hands-on with your products and suppliers, you're able to keep a close eye on the quality of your products. Unlike dropshipping, you handle the packing and shipping, which means you don't have to deal with one of the downsides of dropshipping, the long shipping times. Instead, you can take advantage of getting those products into happy customer hands faster. Much like dropshipping, you're still able to sell products related to any niche you can think of, whether it's your passion for home decor or your obsession with your pets. All you need to do is use a wholesale marketplace like Handshake, find the products you want to stock, and make your purchase. Although running a business using wholesale requires having some money up front, most wholesale marketplaces offer net terms, which provides a nice buffer. Buying products using net terms means you can purchase products and start selling them weeks or months before you need to pay for them. 5. Begin freelancing. Does your 9-to-5 job pay fluctuate? If you don't have a predictable income, you might need more money for some months and a little less others. If this sounds like you might choose to take up freelance gigs. These could be gigs that you create on Fiverr or the occasional freelance project on Upwork. You might create t-shirt mock-ups for a client one week and help someone build their social media following the next. The type of projects you work on could vary drastically. But if you love the variety and switching things up, this side hustle could be perfect for you. How much money can you make with this side hustle job? You can make anywhere from $50 to $2,000 a month depending on the side gigs you take on and the platform you use. For example, if you're looking to hit, say, an extra $1,000 a month, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your second income goal. The secret to succeeding as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you'll bring. Most freelance workers undercharge, which results in fast burnout and little payoff. 4. Become an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of those side jobs that pay well over the long term. However, you'll need to go through a learning curve before you can start making money with affiliate marketing. It's not just about finding the right product to sell, but also finding the right brand to partner with. If you choose to be an affiliate marketer for e-commerce stores, your commission will likely be a lot lower than if you were to just drop ship them yourself. However, there are tech companies that will pay a hefty price tag to affiliates who bring them new customers. How much money can this side hustle make? It depends on what product you're selling and what affiliate network you use. For example, if you were an affiliate marketer for a tech company like Shopify, you could potentially make an extra $58 for every merchant you refer. This means you could make over $500 with just 10 referrals. Sweet. 3. Start blogging. Blogging is one of the best side hustle jobs to do from home or anywhere else in the world. It allows you to build a personal brand while owning your own asset. You can even write about your passions. Starting a blog in a niche that you understand allows you to reach an audience who shares the exact same interest as you. Yoga, business, beauty, and cars are some popular niches for running a part-time blog. You can make money blogging in a few ways. Adding affiliate links to your posts or linking to the online store where you sell dropshipping products. How much money can you make trying a side hustle like this? In the beginning, you'll make nothing. But some bloggers who stick it out past the first few years have made enough money to quit their job and do it full-time. 2. Sell information products. If you're looking for good side jobs to make money, selling information products might be the perfect option for you. This side hustle requires some research, investment time, and marketing skills for you to flourish. Are there topics that are really popular right now that you know a lot about? Did you find a popular topic that there isn't enough information about? Monetize these opportunities by creating content around it. You can publish books on Amazon or sell courses to start earning. How much money can you make selling information products? It depends on the niche, your marketing execution, and a variety of other factors. But a side hustle like this can result in a few $1,000s each month. The key is to create several different pieces of content, ebooks, courses, etc., that keep generating recurring income for you. Selling information products tip. With this side hustle, focus on niches where people have a huge problem they need to solve. If you're in the fitness niche, you can create a fitness workout course or a diet plan with a recipes ebook. If people are desperately trying to solve a burning problem, there's an opportunity to provide value by helping them solve that problem. The content you create can guide them towards a solution. Best part? You could make money while helping people. 1. Become a virtual assistant. Top side hustles have one big thing in common. There's a high demand for them. A virtual assistant is an assistant who works in a remote location as opposed to a company's office. They can help with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more. There's been a growing demand for virtual assistants from business owners who need help on various projects. As a virtual assistant, you can specialize in countless areas. In the past, I've hired virtual assistants for social media and customer service. And there are countless other businesses around the world that rely on virtual assistants to grow and maintain their brands. How much money can you make as a virtual assistant? Most virtual assistants trade their time for money, so you might get capped based on the number of hours of work you can do each week. You can choose to set a total monthly earning or get paid by the hour. Some make minimum wage while others make $35 an hour, depending on their skills and experience. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications to see more of our future videos. With that said, keep enjoying our videos, and I'll see you in the next video.